Hey guys, Ivan here at ivanmana.com. In this video, I want to show you how to create Google Display ads from start to finish as you watch behind my shoulder. Now, as you know, Google Display ads are ads that are going to be showing up on different websites that you are going to select using the Google Ads interface. So for example, here you have a TechCrunch website, and you see some ads at the top here, you see some ads on the side. Here's another example of the New York Times. You see a sponsored video there at the top. That's something that I'm going to show you how to do in this video step by step. Now, the coolest thing about this video is that, look at the date, it is January 2nd, 2022. So this video was made in 2022 for 2022. So you're going to see the freshest interface, the freshest outlook. Everything's going to be as updated as possible for this new year. All right. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is head over to ads.google.com if you don't have an account yet, and either sign in if you have an account or just click on Start Now and set up your new account. Now, display ads are a little bit more advanced, so I'm assuming you already have a Google Ads account. I'm not going to go into too much detail. And once you're here in your dashboard, what you're going to do is click on Campaigns and click on the little plus sign and click on Create New Campaign. And then this is where we're going to set everything up. And by the way, if you just created your account, you might see a little option at the bottom that says Switch to Expert Mode. So click on that if you have it. Now, what we're going to do here is we will be sending traffic to our website, right? So we'll click Website Traffic, but instead of search, we want to click Display because we want our ads to show up on these different websites. So we're going to select Standard Display Campaign. We're going to be using my website as an example, https www.ivanmana.com, and then we'll give it a campaign name. We'll say Ivan Mana Display Campaign, and just put it in, enter the campaign name, click Continue. And here we're just going to go from top to bottom as we fill all these details in. So the first thing it's asking us to do is enter the location. So this is totally up to you. Where do you want to promote your product? For me, I usually start with the tier 1 countries. So that's Canada, that's America, that's England, and you want to make sure it is the country. So United Kingdom, New Zealand, and Australia. And these are the countries which have the highest quality traffic. So this is usually where I test my offers and just get started with. So next you want to select the language. I go with English. This will not translate your ads. This will show your ads to people that have this specific interface. So people that have an English interface, your ads are going to be shown to them, right? If you click on more settings, you can play around with these options here. It's pretty straightforward. I would probably not touch anything except the ad schedule if you want. So if you're saying, hey, I only want my ads to show from 9 to 5 every day, you can do that. Change the start and end date. So for example, if you're saying, I want my ads to run for a week, you can go in and say, hey, I want my ads to stop running on the 9th of January. Something like that, totally up to you. Everything else here, you can play around with it. Oh, one more thing, devices. You can show it on all devices, or you can select where exactly you want to show your ads on. So again, up to you, but these are the options you have. So we're going to click on Next. Now here we have to set the budget and the bid. So the higher you spend per day, the faster you're going to get the results. So I would suggest starting with as little as $10 a day. That's what I started with when I started doing affiliate marketing, but it's totally up to you and to your comfort level. So the next thing you want to do is select your bidding. So I do want to select that option. And I want to say manual CPC. And I want to be able to pay per click, right? I don't want to maximize my conversions yet because we don't have the conversions set up yet. So I will create another video for how to set up conversion tracking with Google Ads and your website. I'm going to update the video, but in the meantime, take a look at the one that I already have out. I will link that video in the description. And once you select that, we're going to click Next. And it looks like there's a little error here. So we do have to set an enhanced CPC bid. We're actually not using enhanced CPC. We're using manual CPC. Enhanced CPC means that Google will spend a little bit more than your bid. But we still have to enter an amount here. So disregard this because we didn't set up our targeting yet at all. So Google assumes that we're going to be targeting the entire world, right? So we don't want that for now. So let's suppose we set our bid to, let's say 10 cents per click. Now keep in mind, compared to search ads, the traffic here is going to be way less relevant, right? Because now you're showing your ads on a bunch of different websites and it's not going to be as targeted as search ads where somebody is actually typing in for the keywords that you selected. So the bid I do like to set much lower than for my search campaigns. And we're going to click Next. And now this is the targeting part, okay? So this is going to set who are you going to target, either who or where, okay? And let me get into more detail here. So click on Add Targeting. So the first option here, let's go from top to bottom, is the audience segments. So If you click over here, you will be able to set who you want to show your ads to, regardless of which website they visit. So let's suppose here, if you click browse, you can target based on demographics. So parental status, are they parents? Are they married or single or divorced, or what their education level is? Sorry, not divorced, just single, married, or in a relationship. What their education level is, what their home ownership status is. So you can target these people regardless of which website they visit. So Google knows a lot about you, okay? So this is going to be Google's information based on what they know. You'll be able to target these people. You can also target by interests and habits. So if Google sees that some people are spending a lot of time in the banking and finance niche, they're looking at a lot of these websites, you can target these people then as well. So you can select this, home and garden, and we're doing online marketing, so I actually probably don't want to do that. We'll take a look and find some options later on. But these are interests, so what Google deems people are interested in the most based on their search history, right? You can go back. You can go with in-market and life events. So life events is if people are purchasing a home, if they're moving. So Google is going to see that somebody is currently searching up houses to buy, for example, right? So then they're in the market. They're right now, as opposed to affinity, where that's a general trend of their interest. In market means something they're doing actively right now as deemed by Google. So if you're a real estate agent, you would probably want to target people that are purchasing a home. And by the way, for any of these, you can click on the little drop down and you can get some more information about any, or some more like options here to get a little more specific. You can also hover over any option and you can see how many weekly impressions there are for this specific topic. So there are 100 to 500 million impressions, million people seeing potentially your ads every week that are in this, in this category of purchasing a home. So these are some of the options here. Now, these options here, they are going to be remarketing lists. So for example, we have some remarketing lists here and you will be able to target them. So let's suppose you want to retarget somebody that visited your website or that bought your products. You can retarget them again and you can show your ads only to them. Okay, so like this one, people that bought some product that we created here. I don't even remember what this is. We have 15 to 63 people on this list. So I can retarget them and show our ads to them regardless of what website they visit. Well, the website has to be partnered with Google, right? But it could be a website in any niche. Now, same thing with these other options here. Combined segments is basically you combining your different remarketing lists together. And then custom segments is kind of the same thing. It's a combination of a bunch of different keywords or topics. Over here, you can get more information. These are all the different keywords that basically people were searching for. So if you click on create custom segment here, you can name it. You can say affiliate guide and you can type in. So let's suppose people with any of these interests or purchase intentions. So let's say affiliate marketing guide, and we're going to click enter. And now I'm going to be targeting people that are searching for an affiliate marketing guide or have been searching for in the past. And you can keep going here. You can also target people who searched for any of these search terms. So sorry, this is actually the one that's a bit more specific where people are actually typing it in. This one is a bit more general where Google deems that people are interested in this topic. Maybe they're not typing this in, but they're going on websites which have an affiliate marketing guide. And then Google deems that they're interested in it, right? So you can create something like this. I'll click cancel. And let me just show you the other options before we actually select the targeting for our product here, which is my affiliate marketing guide. So that's these options here, okay? All of these affinity, again, their interests. In market is what they're actively searching for right now. Maybe they're trying to buy a car right now. You can look into this. So cars and automobiles, if you're trying to sell cars or something, you can target people that are actively looking for certain car parts, okay? So really cool, lots of options. You can also click on search and you can type something in. So let's type in affiliate marketing and see what options Google gives us. So here we have a custom segment of something that we created, right? But we also have these other options, affiliate marketing program, certified public accountant affiliate program, interesting, right? So affiliate websites, things like that. So we can target people that are in the market for these. So if we hover over it, we can see that Google has created a list of different keywords, right? For our product that are relevant to what we're looking for. So you can go in and select any one of these options as well. So this audience segment is people targeting, meaning regardless of which website people visit, you will be targeting the specific people that match the category that you selected. And no, we don't want that, purchase a home, that match like any one of these that you select, okay? So keep that in mind because we will go over other options as well. So next we have ad targeting. Let's go into demographics. This one's pretty straightforward. You can select, people that are not a parent, that are a parent, their age groups, their gender, their income, things like that. This is also people targeting, which means, again, regardless of which website people go to, you will be targeting the people, not the site. Let's go over some other options. Now, these three are not people targeting. They're content targeting, which means that you'll be targeting not people, but specific websites, specific placements. So for example, our product is on affiliate marketing. So, well, let's say affiliate, yeah, let's just say affiliate marketing, for example, right? And we can select this option here because we're not targeting people, we're targeting the content, and we can click done. So now what's gonna happen is we're gonna show our ads on websites of which the theme is affiliate marketing as deemed by Google, okay? So that's the difference between content and people targeting, is that in content targeting, in this case, targeted keywords, we're targeting specific websites which have the theme of affiliate marketing, okay? So we can do that. Now we do have other options. We have topics, which is a bit more broad. So keywords is kind of more specific. You can really narrow down on what exactly you're looking for. Topics are a bit more general. So for us, affiliate marketing, let's see if I can find something, maybe online communities. No. Okay, so let's type in affiliate marketing and see what we get. So here, maybe advertising and marketing, direct email marketing. You could say email marketing maybe, so let's suppose we want to target people that are looking up information on websites that Google deems is related to email marketing, then we would do that, right? And if you have different options selected, that means you have to match all of them. So in this case, we're targeting websites that have affiliate marketing and which the topic is email marketing, okay? So it's much more specific. You can see here we have only 30,000 weekly impressions compared to the other 400 million we saw for people buying a home, things like that, right? So we probably don't want to make it super narrow, but I'm just showing you what this is. So I will probably remove this affiliate marketing stuff. So I will delete that and then click done. And now this should go up because now we're only targeting topics that have to do with email marketing. And now this is a little too broad, right? So maybe we want to go in and change some other stuff around, which again, we'll get into. So one more thing is placements. So this is really cool. This is the most detailed, okay? So with this one, you can choose specific websites or specific YouTube channels on which you want to place your content. So for example, YouTube channels, if you type in my YouTube channel, you can place your ads on my channel, right? Things like that, really cool. You can place your ads on specific videos. So you can choose specific videos and place your ads. So these display ads are going to show up just underneath the video, okay? So really cool. You can enter specific URLs, and if they're eligible, you'll show your ads there. You can select certain apps. So in the App Store, there are going to be ads that are going to show up there. Again, you can select specific websites if they're relevant. My website is not with AdSense, so it doesn't show up. But let's see, like maybe Neil Patel's website is or something like that. I don't think Neil's is as well, actually. Yeah, so you would type in neilpatel.com, and then they should give you some suggestions as well. Okay, so it's not loading. Usually they do give you like a drop down of different options. I'm just going to skip that for now, but that's the idea, right? So you can place your ads on specific, like very specific. This is really, really detailed. Specific channels, specific websites, things like that. So these are all the ideas here. Let me go over this option real quick before we change up our targeting. So this here, I do like to deselect it. Optimized targeting means that Google is going to look at what you have selected, and they're also going to target people or websites that are similar to what you selected. So look at the difference. Observe the difference. See how here it says suggest who should see your ads? And if I turn this off, it's going to change to select who should see your ads, right? So if you keep this on, Google is going to show your ads to additional people, additional websites that it thinks are similar in characteristics to what you selected. So I don't like this option, right? Because if I select something and I'm tight on budget, I want to select only the people or only the websites that I selected. But that's what it is, so it's up to you how you want to go about it. Now, one more thing I could probably do is, let me search affiliate marketing. Yeah, so maybe I want to target people that are advertising and marketing services. Maybe I want to target people that are looking for, affiliate links, maybe. Let's try that. So we added it here, and it's going to be too narrow, right? So maybe we want to remove email marketing from here then. I'm going to click clear all. And that's still a little too narrow. Okay, so let's see if we can add more stuff. Maybe we can add information on how to start an Amazon affiliate store. That could work. Maybe marketing. That should be a bit more Yeah, so that's 12 million. So maybe not that one. Yeah, so guys, play around with it, right? Do the research. Hopefully you know exactly what each of these now mean. Go in there, select your topics, whether it's people targeting, remember, targeting specific people regardless of where they go, or content targeting, which is you're going to be targeting websites regardless of which people visit them. Okay, websites or channels or apps, things like that. So we're just going to leave it like that. So we selected here marketing and affiliate links. Okay, so both of those options here. We're going to click next. And now we have to select our ads. So this is where we're going to actually select our images. We're going to enter the headlines, things like that. So let's click on create new ad. So you can upload display ads. So this is if you have like a marketing agency that has created ads for you, you can upload them here, or you can copy existing ads. We don't have any. So we're just going to start from scratch and we're going to build it out ourselves. So the first thing here is going to be our website. Then we're going to enter our website name, and then we're going to enter images and logos. Okay, so we're promoting an affiliate marketing guide. I'm going to click here. Google's going to scan my website, and it might have my guide here handy. No, okay, that's okay. So the cool thing here is that Google has an integration with stock images. So you can have these professional, amazing looking images and tons of options of them. You can add them. So over here, let's say affiliate marketing as an example. There's going to be some amazing images here. And we can add them here. And don't worry, your ads will actually not say Shutterstock. That's just, it says it here so you can't steal the images. But let's see what image looks good. Yeah, so you can pick any one of these. That looks good. You know, this looks good. Let's say we want to use this image. You can go in and you can adjust it how you want it to look like on the 1.91 by 1 dimension. And then if you want to adjust what it looks like here, what I do is I deselect it and then I select it again, and then you can drag it. So we probably want to see affiliate marketing here. Yeah, so unfortunately, this isn't probably the best image because we can't see the person there looking this up, but that's okay. And then we'll say select the two. We can look up something else. How about this one? That looks about right. Then we can deselect this and then select it again, and we can, you know, pick that. It looks good. We could also pick a logo. You do need a logo. So I'm going to scan website. Let's say I want to use, here's my smaller logo, and this fits perfectly. Then again, I want to deselect it, select it, and then this doesn't really look good. So we're just going to close that. We don't want to use a logo that's 1 by 1. So we're going to select image. And let's make sure this works. Yeah, so the 4 by 1 works well. But this one kind of lacking a little bit, but that's okay. You can play around with it. That's my logo. And we'll select 1 ratio. And then you can go into here, selected assets. And if you do want to change anything else, now if you go to edit, you can say, okay, I want to edit this. I want to make it look like this. Back to results. And then if you want to edit the 2 by 1 dimension, right, or the 1.91 by 1, you can do it here. And that's our logo. And that looks good. We're going to click save. And now these are going to be our images. And again, you're going to see the ad strength here. It's going to say images, which is okay. It's saying you can add more images. So that's up to you if you want to add more. Totally your call. And then you can see what it looks like. Now, we do want to change up the headlines, right? So I'm going to go in and just delete everything because that doesn't look too good. There you go. And so now for the headline, we want to describe what we're doing. So in this case, I'm giving out a free affiliate marketing guide. And then I probably want to say free affiliate marketing guide. Maybe I can say learn how to make money online and then see which one works better, right? So you don't have to add all 5 headlines. It's just up to you. If you're running display ads, you should probably already have a higher budget because there's going to be a lot of testing you have to do. So you could probably add a 3rd headline or so and maybe 1 more set of images, up to you. For the long headline, this is if there's more space, instead of saying learn how to make money online, you're going to provide more information. So let's go to my website really quickly, ivanmanna.com, and let's see if we can steal something here from my site with my permission, of course. And let's say I want to do this. I'm going to copy that part. That's going to be my long headline. You don't want any caps. You're not allowed to have exclamation marks either. So we're going to remove that. Learn what affiliate marketing is and how you can make money with it today. And then I'm going to title case everything here. What affiliate marketing is. And then I'm going to use an ampersand here to get a little more attention. There you go. Okay, and that's going to be our long headline. And then we need a description. So for description, maybe I will copy this. Gonna come back here. And I'm cheating here a little bit, using a little copy paste. I do like to title case, but I'm just gonna leave it here for now. For another description, we can say why is it doing that? Get your free affiliate marketing guide and learn how to make money online today. Wow, okay, today, there you go. So that is pretty much it for the ad. So you can take a look and see what they look like, right? So it's gonna look like this. I like it, looks pretty cool. I like this call to action, simply enter your name and email, right? Tells people what to do. Yeah, I think that's fine. So you can just go in here. You can also look at Google properties and see what it's gonna look like in, for example, Gmail. You know, what else? What else is there? Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess, right? So website apps, here you can look at desktop. You can see more examples here. And yeah, so that's basically what it's going to be like, right? Now you do have, you do have additional options here. So you can use, I normally don't touch these. I just keep these as they are. That's fine. It's like, Google's gonna auto change your images or descriptions to match the format. So I leave that as is, but I do change the more options here. So let me just close out of this, not to distract you. So I do click on more options, and the call to action text, you can change the text here. So for example, you can say, instead of open, you can say learn more, right? So it's going to say now learn more. Or maybe in our case, yeah, you can say learn more. So that's the text. And then what you can do is change the color, right? So you can have a color for the button, and then you can add another color for the general theme of your image. So you do need the color here. So what I do is I just type in color wheel into Google. Okay, so you want to type in color picker, and then you want to go to color picker HTML color codes. And then here you can select whatever colors you want, right? So for our website, it's like this tealish color. So maybe something like this, right? And then here's going to be the color code. So you can copy it, come back here, and then you could either make that as the main color or the accent color. So for the accent color, I believe that's going to be the button color. So let's try it out and see. No, yeah. So sometimes that's going to be the button color here, and then we can do a different color. Let's see. I don't know. We can do purple, because why not? Come back here, and then you will. I'm just trying to show you where exactly these colors will show up now, right? So yeah. So see, sometimes here this is purple, and here like it's the theme of your image, right? It's going to be a little different. Let's see if there's any other here. Yeah, and so that's basically it, right? So once you're happy with all this, you can click on create ad. You can click next, and that already exists. Okay, so we can say display campaign 1. You will review everything, make sure everything looks good. You do want to set the name for your ad group. They didn't give you the option before. I don't know why. Your interface might look a little bit different sometimes, like I said. So we can come in here, and we selected affiliate links and marketing, right? So what I'm going to do is say people, affiliate links, marketing. So this lets me know that once I take a look at this ad group again, I'm going to know exactly what I selected in this ad group. And that is people that are into affiliate links and marketing. And then we're going to publish campaign. And we're going to give it a little bit. And that is it. Okay, so here's our ad group. You can go in, you can add more ad groups with more interests. Let's close out of that. You can go into ads and you can see your ads. You can edit your ads by clicking here and typing in whatever else you want, or adding more images or removing old images. We're going to leave. You can go into videos if you had videos. We don't in this case, so not really applicable. This is for other campaigns. So you can go into keywords. You can add keywords here. Okay, so make sure that you select this actual campaign, because that just kind of selected everything. So over here, you have the video keywords. So you can go in here and you can add display keywords. And now you can select your group, and you can now add keywords again, right? So just like we discussed, keywords that pertain to specific website, you can do that here. You can go into placements, right? So same thing, you can go into topics. You can target these different websites or locations depending on where you want your ads to be shown. You can go into settings, you can go into audiences, and then this is going to be where you can do the people stuff, right? You can edit the demographics. So close out of that, leave. You can edit the demographics. You can edit audience segments here. So it's going to be under audiences, right? So you can select your ad group. And then you can target, again, everything that we've discussed, right? Everything is here. I'm just showing you where to find it in case you want to add stuff. But normally what you would do is you would go into ad groups. Normally what I would do is I would copy paste this ad group. I would go in, I would copy it. Then you close out of that. You go to paste right over there. And this is the campaign we want to paste it in. We want to paste it. And then you're going to go into this ad group and then you're going to make some changes. For example, instead of people targeting, now you're going to do content targeting. And then you're going to run the different tests, right? And see which ad group performs better. So give it a little bit. So there you go. It's copied. So let's suppose this one we don't want to do people. We want to do content. We want to do affiliate marketing. And we're going to be putting it on. So we'll put it on websites that have to do with affiliate marketing. So we're going to click here. We're going to go into content. We're going to go into topics, for example. We're going to edit topics and then see if we can find affiliate marketing. Not really, but you get the idea. So let's say email marketing, right? So we're going to click save. And then what we want to do is probably go in and then change the title to name it email marketing. So instead of content affiliate marketing, we'll say email marketing, okay? And so now we know which ad group corresponds to which topic of what we selected, or topic or people or audience, right? And that's the idea. So I hope you guys found value. Take a look at my YouTube videos if you haven't already. I have 400 plus completely free videos, guys, showing you everything from start to finish of my last 5 years of experience with affiliate marketing, including Google ad stuff, Microsoft ad stuff, how to make money online, how to create campaigns, different reviews of different products, things like that. So super cool stuff. Also, take a look at my free guide and some of my courses where I teach you how to make money online or how to use different ad platforms like Microsoft ads, Google ads, Facebook ads. So if you want to learn Google search ads in much more detail, this 5-hour course, 276 minutes is 5 hours, I think, will cover everything you need to know. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.